Hey guys, I'm MeeMee and I do Allsorts, and I'm so excited for this because it's been a hot minute since I last done a Zenpop box. I don't get these too often, but it's very exciting when I do. So if you don't know, Zenpop is a subscription box from Japan where you can get in the stationery, ramen, sweets. I mainly stick to the stationery ones because I absolutely love the cute designs and themes that they have. Now this one is from January, but I did discover when I received this box I also got a mystery food box as well from Zenpop. And I was staring at these two boxes and I couldn't help notice these stickers. And this one's gone to ST2201. And the other box I had was MY2201. And it suddenly dawned on me then this actually represents what box it is. So because I got the stationery box, the ST stands for stationery, and this is actually in the date. So in 22 is the year 2022, and 01 is January. So then it's a random little tip. So anyway, apart from that, I'm not sponsored, not affiliated, but I do love the stationery that you do get. Now unfortunately I can't remember what theme boxes is, so it's going to be a surprise for you and it's going to be a surprise for me. So without further ado, I cannot wait to see what my mystery stationery box is. So first we get this cute postcard kind of thing, and I wonder if this is like the New Year box because it's got a tiger on it. Oh, there's only one way to find out. Ooh, now this is in. Okay, you can't see him, but that bin there is actually glaring at me because it's facing the light. So first up, we have this sweet tapir marker, and ooh, that's interesting. These look scented, so we've got melon on this side and vanilla on the other. Ooh, I like this. Hold on. Wow, my life, I've just sniffed it, and this is why I love Japan so much with the stationery. So when it's in smelling soda, it smells like melon soda. And the vanilla, I absolutely love vanilla, and it smells so much like vanilla. This is why I love Japan so much, because the scented stuff and their artificial flavourings taste and smell exactly what they're meant to smell like. So the melon smells like melon, the vanilla smells like vanilla. But honestly, trust me, everything Japanese is so much better than what you can get anywhere else. But these smell absolutely gorgeous. I'm not a huge fan of melon, but it's still really cute. And this, by the way, is the highlighter. It's also as well something I've just noticed, and they normally have like a little pamphlet thing to tell you what it is you actually get. Oh well, and it's a bigger surprise not knowing. Alright, so next up we have what looks like a ruler, and yes, it does say aluminium ruler there, which you can't see. And this is something that I really do love about Japanese packaging. Even though that I can't read a lick of Japanese, they do give you pictures of how to use things. So I've just discovered that with this ruler you can actually use it to tear paper, more efficient. Like instead of folding the paper over and tearing it that way, with this, I don't know if you can see them, but on this bottom edge it's flat and on the top edge it's beveled, and that will give you a more cleaner cut when you're pulling on the paper. Ooh, I really do like that. Okay, and this is my new favourite ruler. And I don't even rip paper that often, but I think I'm definitely going to use this instead of scissors from now on. Right, so up next is something that is super shiny, and you can see my camera. And it's a shiny palette sticker, no idea what it is. But it's a line sticker, it's yellow, and you get two sheets, and we've got some different thicknesses here, and you've got more on the back. And if you can see underneath, there is actually a diagram of how to use them. So basically in some like pre-cut washi tapes, so you can stick down the back of envelopes, you can stick pictures in your book, and it also adds a little bit of a shiny flair to it. And next we have this notebook. Thankfully it does actually say it in English. So it says here, MD paper is our original paper that prevents smearing and bleeding through and enables comfortable writing. Ooh, I like it. So it's a cute little notebook, which is quite handy. It does have a yellowish tinge to it. I don't know if you can see it. It feels like quite thick paper as well, so that's quite handy. Ooh, so I definitely can't wait to give that a try, because as a left-hander I do struggle an awful lot with smearing when writing, and for being bleed proof that is an absolute bonus as well. So I definitely cannot wait to try this out. Okay, up next is this cute whatever this is. Oh, I think I remember what this is, and it's like a little notepad. So I really do love the design in it, where you've got the cute little, I think it's an Inushiba. You've got a cat, and they're in a hot spring with Mount Fuji in the background. Oh, the back is so cute. Oh, I love the colours and how it really brings out the images. But according to the instructions, there's a tiny little slit there. And trying to do this around the camera, and I can't do it, but essentially it's meant to be like a 3D holder thing, so that's what it's meant to look like. And I can't do it, it's a bit too fiddling for me, but that is such a cute and novel idea, and I absolutely love the design on it. Okay, so next we have something else that I have no idea what it is, but there is actually like a 3D raised image on it. Okay, so these are actually envelopes, and you can't really see, but it is raised a bit. So I really do love the 3D design on it. And they're all the same, and it's of a tiger. So I really do think that this is like a New Year thing, you know, Year of the Tiger. And it's super cute and adorable. And then of course you've got these cute little gold sakura stickers to stick on the back of the envelope. And this is the design in the dark blue background with this gold foil intricate design on. As there's like a flowering design on it, almost like a mandala kind of thing. And I absolutely love it. Now, I have a huge collection of washi tapes, so much so that I have a box like this that's already full of washi tapes, and I must have the equivalent of like 2.5. You know, it's completely ridiculous, and I can't get through them fast enough. But then again, I don't want to, because when you get tips like this, that's absolutely gorgeous. You do not want to use them. Right, next we have this really cute geisha eraser. Now, I like to put these in a jar, which I kind of stolen the idea from Mariah Elizabeth. I am sorry, but props to you. And this is absolutely gorgeous. And I did actually meet geisha when I was in Japan. It was on my last night in Tokyo, and being in the group that I was with, and we just so happened to run into this geisha on the way back to the hotel. But to tell you one thing, she was really, really friendly, so I give her props for that. Right, and last but not least, we have this really beautiful pen. So the barrel is a sticker, and it's got these really beautiful coloured sakuras on it. And there's leaves, some buds, and I don't know if you can tell, but there is actually a little bit of gold foil on it. And open it, and it's a brush pen, which I really do love. Now, I'm a bit apprehensive of actually continuing to touch this because, as we all know, friction and sweaty hands will tear at the papers, so I'm going to have to be super careful with that. Alright, and that's everything in January's box. And honestly guys, I really do love Japanese stationery. You know, and sometimes you do find really weird stuff that you can't find anywhere else, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I loved discovering everything inside. So if you guys would love to have your own Zenpop box, I'll leave a link in the description box below. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.